In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the conversation history in Perplexity AI. This step-by-step guide is designed to make the process straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, type Perplexity into the search bar. You'll see a list of search results pop up. The goal here is to find the official Perplexity website, so we're looking for a link that usually appears at or near the top of the list. Go ahead and click on the Perplexity website link to take you directly to their homepage. Now that you're on the Perplexity AI website, look for a button or link labeled Home. It's typically located in the main navigation bar or somewhere prominent on the page. Clicking this will ensure you're in the right place to access further options. It's always good to be sure you're on the main page since all your navigation starts from here. Once you're on the home section, the next step is to find and click on Library. This might sound like the place you'd find books, but in the context of Perplexity AI, this is where your digital resources are stored, including your conversation history. Navigating to the library is crucial because it's essentially the hub for accessing and managing your saved data, giving you an overview of all your past interactions. With the library open, you'll see a list of your conversation history. It's presented in a way that allows you to quickly scan through your past discussions. This setup is very user-friendly and efficient, especially if you're revisiting a particular conversation. At this stage, take a moment to glance through the list and remind yourself of the topics you've discussed in the past. If you spot the conversation you're interested in, click on it to reopen and read through the dialogue. Each conversation is prepped to pop back up in detail, offering you a chance to review the exchange as if it were happening live once more. This is particularly handy if you're revisiting complex discussions or need to refer back to important information at any point. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to view your conversation history in Perplexity AI. It's a simple process once you know the trail, and it ensures that you can always revisit your past exchanges whenever you need them. This bit of digital housekeeping can be a real game changer when it comes to staying organized and always having access to your important data. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful.